Hi, I was just in the neighborhood. Please, can I come in? Hi, I was just in the neighborhood. Can I come in?
Hi, yeah, of course. Just give me a minute. We're all busy, stressed, year's ending, holiday time, and sometimes we just don't have enough time to clean. So what does one do? You fake it. And this is my 7-step method to fake a clean house. And I recommend you do these in the order I'm explaining them for the most visual impact. And by the time you get to number 7, you've pretty much gone from having a fake clean house to a real clean house. So it just depends on how much time you have. We're rushing. You can do this so fast, like under 15 minutes, make your house look presentable, and they're never gonna know. We're gonna get started with step number 1, and I call this the laundry basket clutter dash. You're gonna get a laundry basket. Normally we do a clutter bin. No, that's too small. That's not gonna give us the capacity that we need, because the first step is you're gonna go around your house with your laundry basket and put in all of the visual clutter. That is the number 1 thing that is making your house look messy. And normally we would put things away where they belong and we would take that time, but we don't always have that kind of time. So just put it all in the clutter laundry basket, go around your house, do a sweep for any miscellaneous clutter that you will then put away another time when you have more time. It's like supermarket sweep, but we're doing laundry basket dash. Step number 2, we're going to close the doors of any spaces that are just beyond reproach, okay? The rooms that they don't need to see, they're beyond your capacity to clean up in time. In my house, this is almost always gonna be the playroom, because 9 times out of 10, it's a little bit to a lot bit messy. So we're just gonna close that door, because look, if clutter exists in an empty room, but nobody sees it, is there even clutter there in the first place? Exactly. Step number 3 is my personal favorite and makes such a difference, and that is dim the lighting. We are dimming the lighting to reduce our visibility, but also increase the vibes, increase the cozy, warm factor. You want all the ambient lighting going, and my rule, what I try to do is no overhead lights. Just try to use lamps. I have the electric candles because I have cats, so no fire, no flames. And this is the newest addition to my electric candle collection, because they now have the 3-wick electric candle, so it just emits more light. And another new addition, because I was looking into getting those Philip Hue bulbs, but they are so crazy expensive. So instead I got this lighting rod. I have 3 of them now because I love the ambient lighting it gives, and you can set the scene, set the mood. Lighting goes such a long way, and it's so overlooked. Now, if this is something in the daytime, what I recommend you do is open up those windows, get the fresh air circulating, moving through the house, and it just makes it feel more fresh and clean when you have the fresh air. Number 4 is the guest bathroom. This is a top priority area for me. If nothing else in my home is clean, it's got to be the guest bathroom, because nothing would embarrass me more than a guest going into my bathroom and finding Lord knows what between kids, cats. So first thing in my case, because my cat litter box is there, I make sure that litter box is clean, and the human litter box, litter bin, make sure you empty your bathroom litter. You just don't want to see people's used toilet paper. And even better yet, I switched to the automatic bathroom trash can, so it does the job for you. You don't have to touch anything, and then people don't have to see your bathroom trash. So I love having this, if nowhere else, in the guest bathroom, so your guests don't have to look at the gross bathroom trash. I always make sure to switch out and put a fresh hand towel, and then I take the toilet brush and I do a little swipe around the toilet, not like a deep clean, just making sure that there's nothing on there, and then a little spritz of the bathroom air freshener, the poopery one that I like that uses essential oils, and the bathroom is good to go. Step 5 is to vacuum the entryway and other key spaces where you and your guests will be. So usually that's the kitchen, the family room, the bathroom. Just hit those key areas where people are actually going to be walking around. This is not the time you need to vacuum your closet. Just focus on vacuuming those key areas. Step 6 is the seating area scramble, okay? You need to focus on the sofa, the couch, where people will be sitting on. Get the chom chom roller if you have pets like I do. Cat hair is always there, so you gotta do a quick roll of the pet hair. If there's a stain or a situation, put a throw blanket over it. No one's gonna know, no one's gonna see it. Fluff those pillows, do a little karate chop action, and your sitting area looks nice. Step 7 is what I'm calling the wipe and dash. We don't have time to go and dust and thoroughly clean all the countertops in the house. In this case, if you're really in a pinch, you can use the pre-moistened wipes. I don't normally use these, but sometimes if you're in a hurry, make sure you get the natural ones, because sometimes the Clorox ones, they have toxic chemicals and your house will smell like chemicals. So you could take a few of these, wipe down your bathroom counters, your kitchen counters, and the coffee table or table that is in the family room, the room that you're going to be in. And just like that, depending on the time you have, with each step you take, the more your house is going from fake clean to real clean. Regardless, it's going to look better than when you started. And I do have number 8. This is a bonus tip. If you do have the time, get your diffuser going, or candle if you're more of a candle person. I like the diffuser. The Santal scent for me, all these years later, just smells expensive, clean, whatever your favorite clean home fragrance. I like to set this by the entryway, so that's their first impression. If something smells clean, it's just gonna look clean. We're dazzling all the senses here. And then also in the bathroom, make sure those 2 key areas smell nice, because this is a multi-sensory experience. Get the mood music going, or set in background ambiance scene on your television, and it just increases the cozy feel, clean feel of your home. And again, no one's gonna know. Sometimes in life, you have to fake it till you make it. Ideally, we would be fully, thoroughly cleaning our house every day and everything is perfect all the time, but that's not reality. So these are some of my favorite tips for making your house look clean, fast, in a pinch, either for yourself or for unexpected guests. I recently did a video of my new 3-step method that I do daily to maintain a clean home. That has been my favorite method I've ever followed. So check that video out if you haven't seen it yet for more of a day-to-day method. So with all of that said, make sure you are subscribed if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you, Zoe, so much for watching, and I will see you soon with a new video. Bye.